the Scratch website.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What to do next?
Click if you haven't signed in, then click into the sign in button on the left upper corner.
Which side is right?
Right upper corner.
Upper which side?
Right.
Okay.
And then if you've already signed in, just click sign in.
Okay.
If you haven't, then you need to complete your own. Make your own account.
That's the join Scratch. It's okay. We just sign in. Okay. So what is this what is this website? What is this this page is for?
This page is where you can check out what other people made, and then if you want to go into your project, you can click onto the file next to your account.
That's right.
But yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is this page for?
This page is for like all the other things that you have made.
Oh, it's like tons of it already. But some is like just randomly copy. Oh, you mentioned like, you see what this is like when we made like when you were very little. It's like 2 years ago, 2 year old, 2
What
years
the heck
old.
was that?
Yeah. Okay. So what to do next?
Next, if you can click new project on the right upper corner.
Okay. New project. What is this then?
Oh, right, hold on. Can you hear me? I forgot to get the book one on.
Oh no, it's okay. We are going all the way from scratch. Okay. Yeah. Scratch. From scratch. Yes. You know what I mean? From scratch.
Yes, I know.
That nothing. Oh, I accidentally clicked this to see inside. Okay.
I don't know what to use for the code.
Okay. So can you like introduce what this panel is? What this panel is all about?
This panel is where you can do all your coding. And then if you go into like the right bottom corner, you will see your sprites, which means like any item or player or whatever will show there. If you don't want it, you can just click delete button on top.
Oh, so what? So there's what's this one here?
So you can. Oh, what do you mean?
I mean this one. There's already one item here.
Yeah. So.
So why is it? What is it?
It's a sprite. I just explained.
Oh. So what if I click this?
If you click the icon that is like the trash can, then it'll delete the sprite. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's like a character
Yeah.
you create. Okay. Okay. I'll try it. I click it. Point. Are you sure I want to delete? Yes. Then it disappeared.
When if you want to add your own characters, go to the very bottom, the very right bottom of the screen, and then click the choose sprite, which looks like a dog.
Okay.
And then when there's on top, the first one you'll see is search, which is you can
search.
Yeah, you can find the ones that they already have, and then you go back.
Oh, go back.
Yeah. And then you need to click. And then if you see click that, and then go on. No, up there, the paintbrush.
Oh.
Wait, and the second one you'll see is a icon that's shaped like the paintbrush. This here is where you can draw your own sprites.
Oh, okay.
And then you can choose your color and then do some editing.
Oh, okay. You can show us later. Okay. Oh, you want to show us now?
No.
No.
And then, yeah, whatever. And then go back.
Go back to where? Right?
Yeah. No, this is not gonna happen in the video. Just because you are my thing, so I'm going to need to control you. And then you go back, and then go here, and then what's that? I still don't know what that key is.
Surprise.
What's that? You
I
click
actually
into it?
don't know what that is. Oh, I think it's a. It's
it
also.
randomly picks one.
Oh, you just randomly pick a sprite for you.
Yeah, apparently not going well.
Okay. You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, sprite 1 is just nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Patrick, say bye to Sting.
Okay.
Patrick.
Okay. So what about you share with us what this the left side part is?
Okay. So the left part of the screen is where you can drag the blocks, which will be what you will be telling the computer, and then to do.
Okay.
And then for blue blocks is motion blocks.
Oh.
Those you can control the your sprite to do some things. For example, remember some of them, like for basic you need to start it with a flag, unless you have something else like broadcast message, which we'll talk about later. And so moving 10 steps means moving 10 pixels.
Because there's the steps is kind of like the minimal movement that defined in a scratch. Okay, so like 10 steps, like you will move like 10 unit of distance. Like, we can see the effect later.
So if you want to try your project, click to the flag icon on the right upper corner. Just above at the the side of
window.
The side of the window.
Like a smaller window of the right corner, and then you see there's a green flag.
Yeah.
And,
when you click it, it will do what your code said, which apparently is not anything. Let's make it bigger.
Okay.
Like that,
okay,
then it will move.
Okay. So what about, you see there are 3 tabs. So what about this one?
For costumes is where you can like make your player change looks or what it's doing. And so you can draw your own costumes, and you can switch between costumes by using looks, which will change what the player looks like.
Okay.
And then
how about the third tabs? This one.
And then for the third tab is where you can add sound effects. Like for
you click it. Okay. Okay. Well, we don't have to be very detailed, because for the beginner they just need to kind of know.
I mean,
like rough.
YouTube got that covered. Got all the videos.
No, we are making our own. Okay. What is what is this?
Oh, and then then to control the sound, you need to go into the sound block.
Oh, it's in purple.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Purple, pink.
So what about the yellow one?
And then below are events. These are the basic kind of like how do I say?
Like some trigger.
Yeah, like triggers to something.
Like something that will trigger
yeah.
the
event event of the events.
Like the green like the green flag here is like the start button of your program.
If you don't have it, then you won't be able to run your program.
Like if you imagine that your program is like a machine, it's like a start button. You click it, then you will start running all the things you want it to do. Okay. What's this orange one?
Control. It like as you can see here, it's like sort of like a how do I say?
Command.
Like a command. Like when you put in a block, then if you let it needs to have something to happen, then this will happen. And so like I don't know how to explain it.
It's okay. We will demonstrate by showing what we are going to do. Then we will put the elements there. Then people will gradually grasp what this is for. Okay, you just give us a general idea.
Example,
so
like
what is the?
Daddy, okay. For example, like this.
Okay. Oh, because it only runs once. You need it forever. You keep sensing
and when you're using it, you have to use it forever, or else it only sends once, and so you won't have anything happening.
Oh, you can move it back.
Right.
So every time you click it. No. Put it back.
Yeah.
Okay. You press space and then you'll say hello. Okay. So we explain the same thing. What about the operate?
No, we still haven't touched anything. And for the light blue block that I just used is sensing. Sensing is you usually use it with control. Control is.
You can imagine it's like what do I say? Another trigger, but it's triggered like by your typing, or it's triggered by like certain like two characters bump into each other.
Yeah.
Or like something happens.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And so for the green one is operators. These are get a bit complicated. What can they be used for?
It's like doing calculation.
They can do like calculations for you. Like for example, the plus, which you can add things together and then
like a number.
Yeah, like numbers.
Right.
And then the orange one and red one. These two are actually just blocks that you can make by yourself. Variables, you can. What can variables be used for?
What do you think? What is variable used? From your when after you have playing the Scratch for a while, what do you think variable is used for?
I have no idea.
When did you use variable last time? Like keep tracking of the score. Or like keep tracking of the life.
Variables are things that you can make by yourself, like blocks that you can make by yourself, which can keep track of things. Numbers and.
Like for example, if you want to count how many lives is left for a character, like these stars, maybe you say, oh, it's going to have 10 lives, and if someone hit it, they will deduct 1 life. Then you need somewhere to keep tracking of it, right? So you can then what the variable is used for.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so for my I don't know what my blocks are used for.
Blocks. You can imagine if we will keep making stuff like this.
Yes.
Right? So you can imagine like if we use Lego as a metaphor, it's like all this above is like a basic Lego block. Then we can assemble like 4 basic Lego blocks.
Yes.
Into a bigger basic blocks. Then we are no longer assemble stuff based from this basic one. We are combining like a bigger block. For example, we can define this block, like this forever one, as our like a new basic block.
Maybe we can teach that next.
Yeah, we will do that next. So this is just a general understanding.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me clear out everything. Okay. So right now we will demonstrate how to create a character, and it's the bug we are going to for our project. And when we click the green flag, and which indicate that the program is running, then you will keep moving, forever moving, keep moving. Okay. Can you show me? You can choose a block first. Choose a block.
So first you can choose your spike. For this video, we're going to... Actually, the first video is usually just for introduction, right?
No, we will need something to let the user do. Okay. We need to let them see it in actions. We just want to just talk. We want to see them in actions. Okay.
Okay. So for example, I choose the bug. And so from controlling the size, you can do it from at the bottom of the panel. You can type in like what size you want, and then for me, I want it like this because there will be more things.
Oh, so what did you just do?
I changed the size of the sprite.
From what number to what number?
From here.
I mean from what number to what number?
From 100 to half the size, which is 50.
Okay.
And so if you don't...
So that means by changing number from 100 to 50, you are shrinking it half?
Huge?
Huh?
Shrinking it. Like just... If you make it the number larger, then it'll become bigger.
Okay, so how about you make it twice larger?
If you make it twice larger, then it'll be... That'll be so very big.
Okay, you can let
But
it
now
go back.
we will stick to 50.
How about you give it a very small number?
And if you make it very small, no one can see it.
Okay.
And now if you don't like a blank page, you can go to a backdrop, which is right next to choosing a sprite. You can it's the same. You can either choose it, draw it, or upload it from other places. We'll talk about that.
It's basically like a background.
Yeah. So I'm gonna choose this one. Seems better.
Same one. Okay.
Maybe something else. Hold on, let me see. Let's just stick to this.
Okay.
And so, now what?
We want the bug to keep moving when we click the green flag.
So, if we want the bug to be moving, we need to use the motion block I always use. But first we need this. If we don't have it, then the game wouldn't start. And so with the moving steps that we just mentioned at the start, you can make it move. Let me make it bigger. And so that is quite boring. So if you want, then we can change the direction because we don't want it to be pointing there. And to make sure that it's always pointing there, we go to use the point in direction block, and you can drag it from here.
Okay.
And so
what does 180 mean?
180 means the direction that it's going towards. So let's use forever so that it keeps going. And if you don't want to keep dragging it back, you can set a position where it's gonna stay.
Like to let it move to the initial location.
When you press start the game.
Okay. So how to set the sprite's initial position?
You can go to the motion blocks and use the go to X, Y. X means it moved the horizontal.
Okay, you try 0 and 0 first.
Okay. So it's and Y is the up and down, and X is the left and right. For if you use minus 100, it moves to the left. If you use 100, it moves to the left. Yeah. And then if Y is up and down, if you use negative, that won't be 100, it'll move upwards. Negative 100, whatever.
Okay, can you move it out of the forever loop? It will be confusing to the memories.
Negative 100.
Oh no, you break the forever first.
Right, alright, let's add it later.
No, we are just showing the initial state.
Okay.
We just show the initial state.
So and so we can do this, and then for me I want it in the center, but that's not what
initial state means. The program will do it we'll do it first, the very first.
I didn't know we do that.
No. It's the initial state, so it should be the first command be done.
What domain?
Right now, the first step you are doing is move 10 steps rather than go to the initial state.
Oh. So, for me, I want it in the center to show you.
Oh, so what is this doing? What is
this? This means going to the center of the screen.
Whenever you click the green flag.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if you want to let it go to the right upper corner?
If you want it to go to the right upper corner, then as I said in the front, you need to change the Y, which is going up. No difference. Alright, yeah, I haven't clicked. If you want it to go up, you can do this. And then if you want it to go right, you need to do the X, change the X, which is now is still 0. And so then it'll move to the right.
So what if you want to go to left button part of the screen?
If you want, how about we just make the video about a run through Scratch for people who don't know how to use it?
We are doing it right now.
Oh.
We are doing it right now.
If you want to go down, you need to change the Y to negative. Negative means going down. And then if you want to make it go left, then you need to change X. And negative 100 means going left.
Okay, now we want the box to keep running from top to down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want it to go from top to down, First, you can change y to 0.
X to 0.
X to 0.
Okay, so this will make the bug always appear in the middle and from the top.
Top, yeah.
Okay, now we want it to keep moving down.
Yeah. So to make it keep moving down, we need to add a move 10 steps. So this number, so like this, then it'll go down only a little bit. So we need to make the number bigger. This.
Let me be more specific. This will let the computer move the bug once, and the distance it moves is 100 steps.
Yeah.
But we want it to keep moving forever.
And if you want to move it forever, alright. Oh, so do we directly jump to it?
Jump to what?
The coding.
We are. Like I say, we need to let the user, let the student see things in action, not just talking. We need to let them see in action.
Okay. So use a forever loop, then we can see what happens. And now that we add a forever loop, this means the number of the speed that is moving. So like this, see, it'll move.
Okay.
And so
basically we achieve it. Okay.
Yes.
So what if I wanted to move every 1 second, not
Okay.
just whenever.
Can we finish the moving, and then we can.
Yeah, this is
for
the moving.
today.
This is the moving.
I mean, we finished the moving part.
Yeah, this is the moving part.
Then we're done for today.
Yeah.
Okay. And so,
We want it to be like a stop motion, like do, not like a do, like a do.
So if you want it to move like, stop, like, tell us how to say it.
Like a stop. You will need it to stop for a while, then move again.
Yeah. For that, you need this. Wait something seconds. This one will make you wait like for some time. So just be careful. If you put this inside forever, means it'll wait forever. Wait. No. That's not true. Okay, so we need to put it in the forever loop also.
You can show them the difference.
Oh, God. I need to be clear of how this. Yeah.
Then you will wait for 10 seconds to move.
Yeah. Alright. One then. Right, I forgot it.
Okay.
This is what it works.
One more thing. Right now the bug is going from top to down, right?
Yes.
I want it to move from left to right.
If you want it to move from left to right, then you need to change it. This one means going into downwards, but you need to use change X by and change Y by. If you want to make it move left and right, you need this. This is like move steps, but then just you can control the direction. And so it's the same, but then it moves in the other direction.
Or it's like a crab. Do.
Yeah.
How about I want it. Okay, stop it. I want it to point. Its head is going to. I want it to move to the direction where the head is pointing. What is the first you move
alright.
you move 10 steps, right?
Let me try this first. I'm not sure. What's this?
Oh, you see, this is the part that you will be able to clarify what you just learned. Okay, let me help you with this. You assign the initial direction first. Right now the code you haven't assigned the direction, right?
Yes.
You assign the initial direction.
Yes.
Assign the initial direction. There's no direction first. Assign the. Finish this. This is very important because this is the scenes that will usually confuse the initial user like you right now. Okay. Assign the initial directions.
So
okay.
First we need to assign the direction to by which way you want to go. So we're going pointing in which direction. So as you can see, then the player is pointing here. It's like
okay, I want you to face to left side and keep moving left. Okay.
Then you can change x by -10. Then you can move in that direction.
Okay. So what if right now I want it to point right side?
Then just change it to the right. And then if you still want
okay. And I don't need to keep changing the direction, the x.
Then you can just take it out of wherever. If it doesn't have any like event blocks, then
no, I want
won't
it to
do
move.
anything.
I want it to move.
I thought you said you didn't want.
But I don't want to use this block. Okay, now we can use the.
Now we can go back to move 10 steps. Then it'll be pointing in that direction.
Okay, then I want it to move to left lower corner.
Oh, then you need 2 this time. If you want to go like
left lower corner.
Left lower corner.
Use the step. Use the move steps.
Then you need to change the direction.
You see the difference?
Yes.
Okay, now, okay, you can stop it now. Okay, right now, what if we
I think.
okay, you see, even if the basic stuff, right now is for you is kind of like reviewing what you just done. Okay, so we move 10 steps, right? Okay, so what if we want it to point downward? I want it to point downward, but still moving to the left lower corner. I want it to point downward, but it's going to move left downward.
Left. Then you will need.
Give you a hint. Then you will need to use x and y now. Last one. This is the last one. This is the last one. Come on.
Okay. So to do it, you need to change x and y.
Yes,
So,
exactly.
If you want to go
Left lower corner.
left lower corner,
And pointing downward.
pointing downward, then you could it's already pointing down. You need it to be -10, and then for it to be going down, you need just don't change like this. Then it will. That's going up 1. You need to. or whatever. To change it to -10, we're just going down. Done.